So hello and welcome back to the SmokeHoes Garage. Behind me I have the SVM built 1000 horsepower GTR owned by Simon. We're going to be giving this some abuse throughout this episode, so I hope you look forward to that. Hit the subscribe and bell button to see future content from the boys. Also guys, let us know if you think this car, after seeing it in this video, will be a GT2 RS in a straight line. Let us know in the comments.
I've had this car from brand new, 2009. Very small amount of time before I decided to do some work on it. Took it to Car Planet Racing, just had their normal 600R conversion. And then I took it back to have some more work done. I think it was a £50,000 build. Got a phone call from them saying, there's some here, they're taking all the cars away. You need to come and get your car, like now. And I was like, well, you're in Manchester. I'm in Wales. And then it went to SVM. So I had it back, 900R, which was, you know, in its standard black edition specs outside, bit of carbon here and there. Got it back, just the quickest thing I've ever driven in my life. Then the gearbox blew up, sent it back to SVM to sort that out. And then as normal, you get chatting, get sold the dream. And here you have it, Liberty Walk. Paint job, different colour, carbon brakes, cage, set of pole positions. Not really changed, I haven't changed anything to do with the horsepower since the last time it was with them, other than fix the gearbox and then everything that you pretty much see behind us.
So me and Simon got together last Sunday. He had an early delivery of the GTR, which we didn't expect, or I didn't expect anyway. So I met him at the garage, and then the car was completely empty of fuel. So just fueling up before we go out in Simon's GTR. This is the list that SVM have written out on how to do the boost. Not only can you not really read any of it, there's just words you can't really read correctly. I don't know who's written this. And it says just stuff like Cal 47, traction control off. Do not give it full boost round a corner if you spin all four wheels. This will catch you out. It's not like a manual on setting up, it's more like a list of things to do and not to do. I have no idea this is gonna go. Start her up. Simon's car. Start up, select.
Cal 2 is 1.7 bar.
Yeah, 3 is 4.7 bar. Cal 4 is a no-go. Cal 4 is 2 bar.
Yeah.
Maximum, that is. So you're doing Cal 1 at the moment, are you?
Just Cal 1, man, for a minute.
I'm definitely going to put this on the screen for you all to read. See if you can make sense of this. Considering you've been given a 1000 horsepower car to drive, and the instructions have been written out like this.
Pencil as well.
With pencil. So then we took it down a few nice empty roads. Si took me out in it first, and obviously the theatre of the car is really loud. So what's this in? 650 brake this is now, yeah? What's it doing?
No idea.
And it's stopping at 3000 there, isn't it?
I'll tell you what that is. Is that fucking, what's it called? Valet mode?
Might be.
Let's try to.
Yeah.
That's like quarter throttle, that is.
It's got loads of torque, and when the boost comes on, it's not like an old school car where you wait ages and it comes on in a short 1000 RPM and then it's over to the next gear. It's really progressive, quite smooth, but it blew me away early on, even though it was on a low boost setting, I think of about 650 brake. Then he put it up to, I think it was 750 brake, and you could noticeably tell a difference, but it wasn't too much. And then he put it up to around about, I don't know, like what would it be, 800-900 brake, something like that, on almost 1000 horsepower, and I completely bricked myself. Right, so this is now Cal 4, which is 2 bar, maximum boost. It says don't boost round corners, and yeah, 1000 horsepower, supposedly. Then he let me have a go in it. This car being put together and being put in stages, and also many bits being put on from different areas and stuff like that, that it would be a bit flimsy to drive. I know it's a new, you know, it's a modelly new car, but I just thought it wasn't going to be very nice. Simon thought the tracking was out, but I didn't notice it too much. And driving it, it is awesome. It feels like driving a computer game or being on a computer game, driving a really, really good car. Didn't really get to see what it handled like because it was quite damp under tyre, but it was awesome and it was stupidly, stupidly fast. I can't believe how quick it picks up.
So, successful.
Got a stiff gear change in it. This is like a computer game.
Think so?
Yeah.
Very different experience to this passenger seat.
It actually, mate, it's grippy, man. I put towards Simon a couple of months ago saying that we should take out the GT2 and compare them in a straight line, and he was convinced that this would be faster, but I've driven that GT2 and even though it doesn't feel mental because you don't get this big build up of theatre and then, you know, you get shot out of a cannon, I do think the GT2 will be on it because it's rear wheel drive, it's lighter, it's more modern, and you know, it's built and designed by Porsche, and it's a fucking £300,000-400,000 car from some of the best in the business. So she purrs. So Simon's given us the green light to test this car against his GT-R. So over the next couple of days now, we're going to be taking him out for a good hooning. If you want to catch that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button, and also let us know in the comments which one you think is going to be faster. I think it's going to be the Porsche. Personally, what do you think?
I think the GTR's got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, GTR's got it.
Listen to that though.
Wow.
Well, we'll soon find out, and so will you.
Come on.